Just want to document what we're doing here. We did a job yesterday. It's December 23rd right now. Christmas Eve's tomorrow. Happy holidays to everybody out there. We did this job yesterday. The client called us on the 22nd, the 21st, and said, we want you to go ahead and do the repair. And it's raining today. And I said, you know what? I had a cancellation and I'm going to get in here for you tomorrow. He called us 2 days ago. So we did the job yesterday. Last night is 50-mile-an-hour winds. Okay. It's about, I would say, 40 degrees out right now. Tonight the temperatures are going to dip down into the 20s. And I didn't sleep good last night. The wind was howling and I was thinking about this customer here. And just stopped by today to do a visual inspection, see if there's any consistencies or inconsistencies in the roof line. And you know, we want to make sure that everything is sitting nice and flat down there. The temperature's not warm enough for these things to really seal up, and it is a 2.5 pitch, so it's a very shallow pitch up there. You know, you're susceptible to the wind pushing the water back, the shingles in that case. So just wanted to stop by. It looks great to me. I don't see anything lifted up, right? Typically you'll see straight away if something is lifted or missing. So that gives me a good peace of mind, right? We hit all our nails in the right places, and we could all go ahead and enjoy our Christmas without any issues on our plate. Happy holidays to everybody, and we'll talk to you soon.